On this mind-blowingly quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to order a Lyft emblem for free in the Lyft driver app. First thing, you have to go to your settings and then go to the section where it says order emblem. Pretty simple, right? Once this pops up, it's going to confirm your address, and then depending upon your location, you're going to see a note, especially and typically related to the airport. So you can see here I have order emblem in airport docks, LAX here in Los Angeles, airport place cards, and Lyft emblems while picking up passengers. Order your documents to make sure your vehicle is compliant. And you can see I have the option to order one or the other or both. Of course, order both. That way you're safe, better than sorry. One last thing I want to say on this video is you may be wondering, and I have had some drivers ask me this, do I have to do this? Do I have to put that emblem on my car? Yes. Short answer, yes. The last thing you want to do is be in a situation where, let's say you're driving and you're in, let's say, the Lyft pickup zone, and they're like, hey, you said you're driving for Lyft, but I don't see the emblem. Or potentially, which is, I think, pretty rare, but it could potentially happen if, let's say, an officer sees you and they're like, hey, you said you're driving for Lyft to pick somebody up, but I don't see that Lyft sticker. It could be possible that you could be fined and reported. I think it's a bit rare, I have to be honest, but it's still possible. Make sure you do that. And one last thing I have to say as well on top of this is if, let's say, you do drive for Uber, and most drivers in this day and age drive for both Lyft and Uber, and if you don't, I highly suggest to do so. I've talked about this in a bajillion videos. Sign up for both, because there's pros and cons to each one. Again, I've talked about this in a bunch of other videos, right, in terms of pro tips. But anyway, if you drive for both, I also suggest having both emblems just in case. Because let's say you're watching this video, and you're like, hey, Mark, I drive for Uber. Yeah, I drive for Lyft too as well, but I have the Uber sticker. Do I need both Uber and Lyft if I already drive for Uber and I do Lyft rides once in a while? Yes. It doesn't hurt. Have both just in case.